Hi everyone, so today I want to show you a great recipe with roasted eggplant and cilantro. So if you're a lover of eggplant or cilantro, this recipe is perfect. I like both of them, and I found like a salad that I just made up and everybody liked it in my family, so I want to show you. So I took roasted eggplant that I did inside my oven. You can do roasted eggplant on the grill, whatever you prefer and whatever you're doing for that day. So I have here 1 cup of eggplants. So I took off the skin and I chopped it up in cubes. So I took the eggplant, I took off the skin, and I cut it lengthwise and then crosswise. So you have like little pieces of like this cubes here, kind of. That's 1 cup. Then I chopped up 2 ounces of cilantro, and I'm gonna add it right on top of this. Okay. So I like a lot of cilantro for this because that's what really gave that eggplant the unique taste. Then I take a quarter of a lemon and I squeeze it out to make sure I don't get any seeds in my salad. If you have a special squeezer, that's also fine. Since it's not a big piece, I find it more convenient to do it this way. So a quarter of a lemon. If you want it to be more, have that acidic flavor, you're welcome to use 2/4. But for my recipe, I'm using 1. That's the original recipe that I made mine with. So we put it right there. Then we take salt and pepper. So salt and pepper, it's usually to your taste. This is the way I do my recipes, because some people just don't like salt in their food. Some people very little. So I put it the amount that my family and I like in our salads and our food. Some pepper. Okay. And then we're gonna use extra virgin olive oil, a tablespoon of it. And then we're going to just mix it up. You can have this with barbecue, you can have this with anything you're having for dinner. You can put this in the pizza that you toasted if you toasted it in the toaster, or which other way you do it. I do it on the stove top to get that like very yummy home baked bread smell. You can have this just like that. It's pretty filling, and that's it. It's just a unique twist to a regular eggplant and using cilantro. And if you have leftover cilantro, this is just the perfect way to use it in your salad. So I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more recipes and enjoy everything that you've been creating.